GitHub Mobile is a mobile application you can install on iOS or Android phones to perform read-only basic GitHub repo management tasks. It can manage, triage, and clear notifications, read, review, collaborate on issues and pull requests, edit files and pull requests, search for, browse, and interact with user repos and organizations, receive a push notification when someone mentions your username, search through code in a specific repo, secure your github.com account with two-factor authentication, and that is the primary reason I tell you to install it, is for that, as I find it very useful. Verify your signed in attempts on unrecognized devices. GitHub Mobile can be used for UFA, which is a convenient way over other methods, and I definitely agree with that. For everything else, I'm not really sure. I think the thing about this particular product, and I really should have highlighted this, is it's really good for triage and people that need to stay up to date with what's going on. So people that maybe they're a sysops administrator or something like that. So GitHub Mobile becomes very, very important. And even though it doesn't show up in the exam, it's in the exam guide outline. They really want you to know about mobile notifications to stay on top of stuff. So we'll look at that next, okay?